Hey guys, welcome back. I know it's been a little bit, but we're back. I just want to say thank you very much for subscribing to both of the channels on, well, basically Facebook and YouTube. I really appreciate it.
Should we let them know that you're going to give them a sneak peek of inside and out? Because we had some comments, people wanted to see the sides, even though they can see. Well, once we're done with this video. And
yeah, because the sides aren't done, but at least we can show them. Yeah, but at least
still be able to see it all put together and everything inside there.
True.
Fresh.
Okay, that's fine. We can do that. And also another reason too is one subscriber purchased a uni air filter through rngperformance.net, and he purchased 2, and he said the second one he wants to donate to someone to be able to
help people out, because I made a post on Facebook wanting to help people out, and some people gave me some backlash and said that these are not a necessity, that these are a toy, and that if you couldn't afford to repair one of these or do upgrades to these, you shouldn't own one. And I strongly disagree. Just like I strongly disagree that our veterans should have a paid for home instead of being out on the streets. And this, you know, and I want to first say that me and you, we donate money to a lot of different things.
Yes, we do.
Throughout the year. It's not just the side-by-side stuff.
We just did.
Yeah, we just donated a good amount of money to the veterans cause. And like somebody said, that we should be donating our money to like the children's hospitals. Well, little do they know, these people are only judging about my Facebook post. They don't know what our life is actually about.
Exactly.
They don't know the kind of people we are in our hometown. They don't know the things that we do around our home. So they have no idea, and they're quick to kind of judge. And I don't want to talk bad about them, because what they said is correct.
Yes.
They're correct. These units are, if you can't afford to have these, you can't afford to have these. But my way of thinking is, not everybody is lucky like we are and like you may be to be able to have these and afford these. And the ones that are lucky to be able to afford the $150 a month payment, because let's face it, the payments are cheap on these.
Yeah.
Just about anybody can afford one.
Yes.
If you can stop smoking, you can afford one of these.
Oh, amen, yes.
Okay? And I'll be honest with you, that's how we bought most of our side-by-sides starting out, is I quit smoking. And we bought a lot of stuff with that money that I was spending on cigarettes. So basically, if you can quit smoking or quit drinking 12 packs of beer every week, you can have one of these in your garage. But that doesn't mean that, you know, somebody on Social Security, disability, somebody in a wheelchair, they get one, they're on a limited income, but they want one. They're able to drive one. They can get the foot pedal things installed. And I know this because I have a subscriber, actually I have about 4 subscribers that I'm fully aware of that have a unit and actually are in a wheelchair, and they're able to climb up in their unit and use hand controls, okay?
Wow.
Those people can't go to work. Those people didn't ask to be in those positions. And those people should not have to be stuck at home on the couch, not able to go and do something and have fun. Those people should be able to enjoy a recreational vehicle or enjoy a hobby of whatever they like to do. In this case, this is a hobby in most cases. I do know a lot of farmers, a lot of people who have land and animals, and all of their money goes into their animals, and they don't have $100 for an air filter or something. And the whole point in my post was, we want to be able to help those people. So one thing this gentleman did, he purchased a 950 filter and asked me to give the other one away, but he had one stipulation. He said I could give it away in any manner I wanted to, but he requested that you guys share your story. So what I talked to him and found is his money. He's allowing us to do this, which I do this with my money all the time, okay? Quite a lot, don't I?
You do.
And I'm not bragging. I'm just telling you, just what we do. It's what we like to do. We like to give back to the community. So we decided to do it on Laura's channel. Since it's a new channel, I'm always doing giveaway stuff on my channel, my Facebook. We decided to do it on your channel to help your audience understand that you are part of RNG and you like doing this as well as I do, helping these folks out. So this guy, he requested we give his 950 filter away. However, we have decided to take it upon ourselves and offer a filter to anyone's machine. Yes. It doesn't have to be a 950. And if the cost just happens to be over what the uni filter for the 950 costs, we're going to cover that cost.
We'll take care of it.
That way we're not leaving any certain unit or person out. We're able to cover the 1000, the XL, the 4, 5, 600s, 800s, the 1000s, the Z-Force 800s, any machine that you have. But he requested that you tell us a little bit about your situation and why times are kind of tough for you. Don't go into detail. We don't need to know your whole life story and
just the gist of it.
Just the gist of it, and just give us a good story of what would make you a good candidate to receive some of these new filters. And we will probably, knowing us, we will send you a goodie package. You're not just going to get a filter. I know how we are. Well, I'm going to go through and find things that I have laying around that might help you and donate. So you'll get a big box instead of just a filter, guaranteed. So yeah, please just comment on her video. Yes. Down below. Give us a story of what your situation is, maybe how you ended up in it, because we know there's unfortunate situations out there. And we also know that you shouldn't be able to enjoy doing the same things that we do because we're able and you're not. Yeah. We feel for you. I have, as a matter of fact, I have a friend of mine that is in a wheelchair because he was in a car accident. He got his airplane license, remember? He got his airplane license. He flies airplanes. He works. He's bound. Can't leave his vehicle, you know. But he does like the transportation stuff, and he does that. He's able to. He just can't walk, but he can drive. Yes. And he can fly. Got his airplane license. But not everybody is able to do that. Yes. Not everybody in that situation is able to do that. And we want to make your life of owning this machine as easy as possible because, yeah, we know, is a uni filter necessary? Yes. Yes, it is. Is a stereo necessary? No. Are these fancy lights necessary? No. No. But a uni-air filter definitely is necessary. I'm going to say a clutch kit is necessary just because of the jerkiness. Not even performance side, but the jerkiness these things have, a clutch kit is definitely necessary. So we'll definitely be fixing the winter up, and maybe we'll decide to pick one or two. You know, when I get to reading sad stories, I know. I get kind of emotional. I know you do. So, you know how I am. Yep. We might do 10 packages. I don't know. But we'll see. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Yep. Is there anything you want to add before you go around and show them? This is your video. I kind of took it over. I know. You're good at this. I'm trying. I'm helping her. She's learning. I am. I'm trying. Just give us your stories. I can't wait to read them, and we can just pick them, see what we think. You want to take the camera and go around and show them everything and explain to them what we're doing next, and I'll let you take over that part. The camera? Yeah, you got it. I'll follow you with the camera. Okay. You do it, I'll follow you. Okay. The first one is like obvious. So obvious. Look at these beautiful headlights. Like I can't even say how much I love them. Like they are awesome. Awesome. I know he had a lot of time in them. Took him forever to do, very tedious. I love them. Then we got our underglow lights. I love them also. Then, look how beautiful. Our wrap. Speedworks did the stickers for us. Speed stickers. Or speed stickers. I'm sorry. Speed stickers. Say, I'm sorry, speed stickers. I'm sorry, speed stickers. I messed up. Got the RNG Performance on here. I think it looks very good. It pops. What about the inside? Do you want to show them anything on the inside?
the inside, we've got, of course, you guys seen the stereo, but we installed one of his, I forget what those
we didn't put the stickers on yet because we're not done wiring things.
Yeah. So we installed this here. We got it all buttoned up and back together.
Tell him what I have planned for a tablet and a custom cluster.
Yes, he has planned to get me, he ordered me a tablet, and it's going to go right over here.
With a custom
with
digital, basically this, but on your tablet.
Yes, so it's going to be
and cooler, way cooler. We have some stuff planned.
Yes, we do. So, as you can see, we took off the nets.
We didn't like those nets.
No, we didn't. We did not like those at all.
Nope.
So this is why we haven't shown you guys the sides or the back. Well, we showed you the back, but not the sides. But we got to get the bed back on here and get the stickers on the other side of the bed. So, but he's coming. He's coming along. I can't wait.
Right?
Yeah, I can't.
Got all the turn signal stuff hooked up. The only one I'm having a problem with is the horn doesn't want to work.
The horn. We got to figure out the horn.
I get power to the switch, but no power to the horn.
Yep. All right, guys, I think this is it. We'll close this out for now, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see ya.